Pharo Foundation takes pride in being a direct delivery foundation that designs, builds and operates its projects. Hence, we have an impressive portfolio of economic development infrastructure across our three missions of education, water and productivity in Somaliland, Ethiopia, Kenya and Rwanda. Here is a small selection of Ethiopia and Somaliland projects, all of which embody our private sector approach to public good provision and for-profit businesses. Hamosha School is a bold experiment, a state-of-the-art boarding campus for 240 girls, built in one of Ethiopia's most neglected regions. Situated 38 kilometers from Assosa, the capital of Benishangul Gumuz, one of the country's poorest, most remote and underserved regional states, its very presence bears testimony to the power of vision against the odds. In Benishangul, we complement our pioneering Hamosha boarding school through a broader portfolio of initiatives that are reshaping access to quality education. Its flagship is Pharo School Assosa, supported by programs such as computer-assisted learning that strengthen public schools. Assosa, the capital of Benishangul, is also the location of the Pharo Diagnostic and Clinical Services Centre, PDCS, which was established in 2022. For the first time, the PDCS gave residents access to reliable, high-quality diagnostic testing without the burden of travelling hundreds of kilometres to Addis Ababa. In just 3 years, PDCS has grown into a sustainable business and served 30,000 patients. In Somaliland, Pharo Foundation co-created the National Early Childhood Education Curriculum and built 17 early childhood education centres in public schools. Its portfolio also includes Pharo Kindergarten, Pharo Primary and the prestigious Sheikh Secondary School, which offers IGCSEs and A-levels and has seen many of the country's leaders go through its ranks. At the end of the education journey, the Pharo Technical and Vocational Education and Training (TVET) Centre in Hargeisa has been expanding opportunity for Somaliland's youth since 2021. Designed to tackle unemployment and skills gaps in the trades sector, the centre provides practical training to young adults aged 18 to 30 and has seen 343 graduates since inception. It equips them with the technical and soft skills required to thrive in today's workforce and bridges the gap between education and employment. Also in Somaliland, the Non-Communicable Disease (NCD) program rests on two pillars: awareness and access. We conduct community-based screenings and awareness campaigns, and we established an NCD centre at Hargeisa Hospital, now serving as the national referral facility. The NCD centre is reshaping Somaliland's health system by introducing specialised care for diabetes and hypertension. Pharo Foundation has built a network of 7 Hafir dams, storing 319,000 cubic metres of water and serving 33,000 people and 560,000 livestock. We have equipped these dams with an innovation called Camel Cam, which creates high-resolution camera footage linked to an object detection algorithm, thereby allowing us to track the frequency of dam usage by humans and livestock. Finally, one unique characteristic of our foundation is our for-profit social enterprises, Pharo Ventures. They embody our belief that a thriving local private sector is the key to Africa's social transformation and creates the revenues that will sustain our non-profit projects long-term. Our Pharo edible oil plant illustrates this, as our flagship agribusiness investment. Located in Kotu near Debre Birhan, the plant has a 50-ton per day processing capacity and is designed to convert locally grown ethical oil seeds into high-value, premium-certified edible oils. The project creates jobs, strengthens local supply chains, and demonstrates that African enterprises can compete at world-class standards. Meanwhile, Somaliland only had one batching plant until Pharo Ventures shook up the market in 2022. Its decision to create a second batching plant in Hargeisa has resulted in greater competition, improved efficiency, and expanded access to certified concrete. In the constant buzz of construction of the city of Hargeisa, as in the rest of East Africa, Pharo Ventures is a potent symbol of the Africa of the future, an educated, climate resilient, and productive Africa that is powered by the private sector.